Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you're a fan of simple and delicious desserts, then this video is just for you. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my new videos. Today, I'll be sharing a super easy and tasty dessert recipe that's perfect for any occasion. Let's get started with the ingredients and step-by-step instructions. First, take a saucepan and add 8 tablespoons of sugar. Place it on low heat and let the sugar melt slowly until it turns into a golden caramel. While the sugar is melting, let's prepare the rest of the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add 4 tablespoons of cornstarch and half a liter of cold milk. Mix them together until the cornstarch is fully dissolved and you have a smooth mixture. Once the sugar has caramelized, gradually add the milk mixture to the caramel, stirring constantly with a whisk. It's important to keep stirring to avoid any lumps and to ensure a smooth consistency. Continue to cook the mixture over medium heat until it thickens and reaches a custard-like texture. Now it's time to pour the mixture into glass cups. Fill each cup to the brim and then add your favorite toppings, like crushed nuts, such as almonds or pistachios, or even shredded coconut if you prefer. Allow the dessert to cool completely so it sets nicely before serving. This dessert is perfect for serving at gatherings or as a quick treat after dinner. It's so simple to make, yet it looks and tastes amazing. Even if you're a beginner in the kitchen, you can easily whip up this dessert and impress your loved ones. As we wrap up, I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I encourage you to give it a try. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for your continued support, and I'll see you in the next video.